that I don't know what's on your mind. You can blame it on the weather, but I know you better than that. I can tell when you're hurting. Tonight I'm afraid to ask, 'cause what if you say goodbye? What if you changed your mind? I don't wanna hear that the love that we made was a waste of time. But your kiss don't lie, baby, your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. I've gotten good at pretending, convincing myself there ain't nothing wrong, and going through the motions, hoping we'll turn off this road we've been on, and it'll get better. But girl, I know better than that. I tell you I love you, but what if you don't say it back? What if you say goodbye? What if you changed your mind? I don't wanna hear that the love that we made was a waste of time. But your kiss don't lie, baby, your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. Even if you say goodbye, yeah, even if you've changed your mind, I'm ready to face it. I don't wanna fake it for one more night. Yeah, your kiss don't lie, baby, your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. Well, I'm through holding on to you, baby. 'Cause you're already gone. You got your face down, your phone out, your half-empty bottle of wine.
Hi, the dance is called Lost in Love, choreographed by Maddison and Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one tag and one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, cross point, hold, turning shoulders slightly to your left. Behind, point, hold, turning shoulders slightly to your right. Cross, sweep your right, cross, side, behind, quarter turn to your left, stepping forward, hit your right, make a quarter turn to your left. Now you're facing 6. Cross rock, recover, sweep your right, hitch into figure 4 position. Behind, side, 1/8 into your left, forward. Now you're facing 430. Section 2, half turn basic. Forward, quarter turn to your left, side, quarter turn to your left, back, back, drag your left, make 3/8 into your left. Now you're facing 6. Forward, forward, pivot quarter turn to your left, weave. cross side behind, step left to the side, sway to your left, right, left, 1/4 turn to your right, quarter, half turn to your right, now you're facing 6. Section 3, step left forward and beginning, pivot half turn to your right. Complete a half turn, change your weight to your right, half turn to your right, stepping back, sweep your right, behind, big step, side, drag your right, cross rock, recover side. Diamond fall away. Cross, 1 is into your left side, 1 is into your left back, back, now you're facing 430. 1 is into your left side, 1 is into your left, forward, forward, now you're facing 130. 1 is into your left side, 1 is into your left back, now you're facing 1030. Back, 1 is into your left, together, forward, now you're facing 9. Last section, big step. Forward, drag your right, clench your right fist. Big step. Forward, drag your left and clench your left fist. Twinkle. Cross side rock, recover, weave, cross side behind. Big step. Side, drag your right. 1/4 turn to your right. Quarter, half turn to your right. Now you're facing 12. Forward and kicking your right foot forward. Back, half turn to your left, forward, forward. And start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 in, 2 in, 3, 4 in, 5, 6, 7, 8 in, 1 in, 2, 3 in, 4 in, 5, 6, 7, 8 in, 1, 2, 3, 4 in, 5 in, 6 in, 7 in, 8 in, 1, 2, 3 in, 4 in, 5, 6 in, 7, 8 in, In the stance, there's a 4 count tag at the end of wall 2 facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Step left foot forward, kick your right foot forward, back, half turn to your left, forward, forward. Step left foot forward and kicking right foot forward, back, half turn to your left, forward, forward. With counts. 1, 2 in, 3, 4 in, On wall 5, you will dance 12 in a count, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with count, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1 in, 2 in, 3, 4 in, 5, 6, 7, 8 in, 1 in, 2, 3 in, 4 in, This is the end of 12 and a count. Now make a quarter turn to your left to 12 o'clock to restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.